In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed on your computer. This error usually appears when you plug in a USB device and Windows can't properly recognize it. You might see it in Device Manager with a yellow warning icon, and your USB device simply doesn't work. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through practical steps you can try, starting from the simplest checks and moving toward more in-depth fixes. Follow along carefully, and after each step, it's a good idea to unplug and replug your USB device to see if the issue is resolved before moving on. First, start with the basics. Remove the USB device from your current port and try a different USB port on your computer. If you're using a USB hub, plug the device directly into the computer instead. Sometimes the problem is just a faulty port or an underpowered hub. If you have access to another computer, quickly testing the device there can also help you figure out whether the problem is with the USB device itself or with your system. Next, restart your computer with the USB device unplugged. Once Windows has fully loaded, plug the device back in and see if it's detected properly. A simple reboot can reset USB controllers and clear temporary glitches that cause this device descriptor request failed message. If that doesn't work, open Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start button and choosing Device Manager from the menu. In the list, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Look for any entries that say Unknown USB Device or show a yellow triangle icon. Right-click that entry and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation, then restart your computer. When Windows restarts, it will automatically try to reinstall the correct driver for that USB controller, which often resolves descriptor issues. While you're still in Device Manager, it's a good idea to update your USB drivers. Right-click each USB root hub and each host controller listed under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Then choose Update Driver and let Windows search automatically for updated driver software. After updating, restart your system once again and retest the USB device. Finally, if you're using a desktop computer, check the physical USB ports, especially front panel ports connected by internal cables. A loose connection inside the case or slight damage to the port can lead to intermittent or failed device detection. Trying the device on known good rear ports can help rule this out. Work through these steps patiently, testing your device after each one, and in most cases, you'll be able to clear the unknown USB device descriptor request failed error and get your USB device working again.